What's up, guys? I hope you are having an amazing week. Today we're continuing our series on talking about Greenbit's company values, my personal values, and what those mean to me. If you haven't seen the first video, you can check it out right here. I go over the whole list. It's a little long, but still worth the listen. Today we are talking about the first value on our list. This value is titled, "Do Whatever It Takes to Win," and the description of it goes as such. We're building the best business in the world. Getting to this place and staying there is not easy. We have to be relentlessly focused on doing anything required to maintain this position, even if it's not in your job description. Now, do whatever it takes to win has many connotations. Some people take that negatively, some people take it positively. This is meant to be a positive connotation. In fact, when this went up on our website, our team that we had doing our website and marketing felt like changing it and rewording it and making it a lot softer. I'm not a fan of that. Do whatever it takes to win for me means do whatever it takes to win. That doesn't mean be a bad person. A bad person doing whatever it takes to win is bad. That's not good. If you're just not a good human, well, you're probably not watching me. But if you're not a good human and you're told do whatever it takes to win, you're gonna steal, murder, there's nothing much worse than that. But if you're a good person who's told do whatever it takes to win, the idea here is you're going to hustle, you're going to jump around, you're gonna wear multiple hats. If you are a software engineer and your company is severely struggling in marketing and your company is going to fail because marketing or sales or finance, do whatever it takes to win is the mentality to go and jump in and help however you possibly can. Your number one focus is taking this thing that you care about, whether that's a business, a value, anything, and you're going to do everything in your physical and emotional and mental power to make it win. That is simply what that value means. And is our number one value. I think it's probably one of the most important qualities I look for when we're bringing people onto the team. One of the most important qualities I look for when I'm finding people to be in my life as friends or whatever. It's extremely important. That's it. I will see you guys next time when we talk about the next value. Who knows when that'll be. But at least I did one of these, right? Right? It's better than the last time I told you I was gonna do this series. All right, see you guys. You still here? You guys ever think about the fact that this is actually kind of creepy what I do? I'm literally just sitting in a dark basement with the lights off, with a bunch of film gear, by myself, talking to myself. It's actually a little creepy if you think about it. Bye, guys.